welcome back to another day of art. So yesterday we made our outline for our landscape animal. My manta ray lives in the ocean. A lot of times you will see them near shores. So my landscape is probably going to include a bit of like the shoreline, like the sand, maybe a tree just to show that it is land, and obviously the water and the sky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to Sketchbook and show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is you are going to go onto Sketchbook. You are going to make sure that you are still on your image with your outline. What I would do is I would go to that layer bar that we talked about yesterday, and I would click on the layer that has my outline. So you can just tap on it. You'll get all these options next to it on the left. Click on the one that says Duplicate. Duplicate means that it will make a copy of it for you, so it'll make another layer that's exactly the same. And the only reason I say to do that is in case you end up not liking what you're making, you don't have to restart your outline, you already have an outline. So then what I'm going to do is I am going to start by adding a nice little horizon line on there. The horizon line, remember, is where the land meets the sky, or in this case, my water. It's where you stop seeing land and you just start seeing sky because it's so far away. So I'm going to add my horizon line in there, and I'm going to color in my water. My water is darker than my sky blue, so I'm going to mess around with the different shades of blue. I'll pick some that I like, and I'll use the airbrush tool because I feel like it mixes the colors nicer. And I'll put some of this blue. I'll go back to my colors. I will pick another blue, because remember, water is not just one solid color. It can be like multiple shades of the same blue. It can have greens in it. If it was sunset, there would be so many colors in that water, but we're not gonna worry about that today. So I have my water done, and now I'm going to color in and get like a tan color for my sand, and I'm gonna put my sand in there. And I'm still using the airbrush tool just because I really like the airbrush tool. Feel free to experiment with all of the tools that you have on Sketchbook. There are hundreds. I am also going to add some trees to my sand because it just makes it look more like land. So in the sand, you're not going to see like pine trees or maple trees. You're going to see coconut trees. So I am drawing some coconut trees. I might add some of the leaves in there. Maybe I'll add like a coconut on the ground. And I used the pen tool for this one just because it made it more solid. And I'm going to color in my sky. And that can kind of just be very solid if you want compared to your land, because it makes the land stand out from the sky if like one of them is just a very solid color and one of them has more value and shades in it. And I'm going to use that airbrush tool again, and I'm going to pick up some white, and I'm going to add some clouds into my sky. And I will also add some birds. And I feel like this is a pretty good landscape. So what I'm going to do is I am going to save this image just like we did yesterday saving the image. You click on the three lines, you click on the share, click on the save image, it's in your photos, and you can upload it onto Schoology. And I will see you tomorrow. We are going to just add some more details in tomorrow. Alright, that's all that I have for you today. Have a great day. Bye!